My name is Madina Chionidi. I'm a senior character artist in the video games industry. I have worked with Marvel's designers since its early versions in production environments for almost 5 years. In this 11-chapter video tutorial, I'm showing you how to build a biker-style jacket. The entire workflow is explained in detail, and it includes new Marvel's Designer 7 features such as stitching, rivets and buttons to push the detail and realism of the model even further. Once the jacket is built, we're moving on to ZBrush. We go through the export settings that will give us the best results and help us avoid common problems. We are covering topics such as what is the easiest way to create natural-looking padding, how to layer garments without compromising big shapes, and finally, I'm explaining the most effective method to give thickness without breaking form and integrate the stitching and rivets into ZBrush without the need of extra tweaking. By the end, you will have the understanding you need to work comfortably in Marvel's Designer, you'll know how to export to ZBrush, and minimize unnecessary guesswork.